Hi there, welcome back to another tutorial. I am Noel from Expart. In that class, we are just gonna learning something really special in Adobe Photoshop. So day by day, we are just learning something special. So if you don't have any kind of knowledge, so now you can learn Adobe Photoshop in your own. So that's really easier, isn't it? We learn all the tools and making our images so much qualityful and too much effect on this Photoshop. So today's class is really special, and in that class we are just gonna learning how to drop any kind of shadow behind any kind of images. So if you have any kind of images but you don't have a shadow in the background, and how you can add any kind of shadows in the background. So in that class we are just gonna learning about this one. So very first we have this, I have just downloaded this images, just road images. You can type road images on Google, you can find it, and you can use a pixel base and lot of free images website you can download from there. And then you have to make it, you can download any kind of running images from PNGs, or if you want to make your own images, you can very fast you have to make your background transparent. And last class I teach you how to make any kind of background transparent. So in here I have just downloaded this one. So I just in here just little bit bigger, press the enter. So now if you want to edit these sizes, so you can press the Ctrl T for the free transformation. So if you press the Ctrl T, so you can edit your sizes so for easily. So if you think this is perfect, okay, so now we can put this shadow. So very first I have to tell you, if you have any kind of images, so your own images, so you want to make a shadow in the behind the background, very first you have to make your PNGs. Definitely you have to make another PNG layer. So like this. So you see that this is the road layer and this is the girl layer who is running. So in that how, so you can make, see this. So you have to make a definitely individual layer. That's it work. Okay. Then we have to make it. We just make this one and just in here and press here and just select this girl's image, select this layer and just press your right button on your mouse and new 3D extraction from selected layer. Now I'm going to tell it, just right click and then new 3D extraction from selected layer, just selected it. And when you just selected it, you shaded this type of shadow affected and 3D affected in like this. So if you see this is the properties in here. So you definitely follow this this thing. This is the properties thing. So you have to just edit the properties. So what is this and how it's work? So very first, this is the properties panel. So if you fix like this. So I'm going to make it like 11 point. This is, I think this is much better. And then these have the 3D panels. So you see this 3Ds, and when you just see the 3Ds in here, so you see this is the infinite light option in here. So just screenshot here. So in here infinite light option in here. When you just click the infinite light option, so just you have this, you see this here infinite light. So this is the one kind of direction where who is the direction area your light throwing, and your shadow will be this line. So this is your 3D affected line in here. So you can edit and you can make your shadows in like this. Okay, so now it's done. My layer is complete in here. So I think I'm going to be used like this. Okay, so now you have to go this option like layer. So go to layer option and just in this just selected which layer you use for this 3Ds. So now just click again, just click this layer and rasterize. That's a rasterize this 3D option. So just click this rasterize 3D option. That's done. So you see that's your images, that's your shadow, and that's done. So that's really this really short class, but is I think this give you more thoughtfully. So I feel like that when I taking the class, I have to take a lot of class about how to remove the background imperfectly. So I think this class is really helpful for you, and if you think that's really helpful for your time, so don't forget to subscribe, because if you subscribe, we can make our family bigger. Thank you so much. Thank you. See you another class.